Hi there, in this video, I'm going to share how to add accordion menus to your Squarespace product detail pages. This allows us to present more information to our customers before they add items to the cart. To add this feature, we access our product details, and then under description is where we add the content of our accordion. We start by adding our accordion title, and the key is to make sure that this is set to heading 4. We hit enter and then add any text information below the accordion title. We just repeat the process for our succeeding accordion items. So let me just add accordion 2 followed by accordion 3 and then hit save. I shared a link below that will lead you to our Creative Components page, and one of our free components is the accordion menu product items, and all we need to do is copy these codes. So I'll copy this one, and we need to add this to the injection area. To access it, click this search icon and start searching for injection. We paste this code to the footer area, and then we'll copy this CSS, and this one goes to the custom CSS area, which we can access by hitting this search icon and start searching for CSS. Paste the codes right here. Note that if you have existing codes, make sure that you paste this to the last line to not disrupt any other customizations. When we hit save and refresh our site, notice how we already have this accordion titles as well as information that collapses as we click. These accordions can also be accessed using just the keyboard navigation. So if someone uses just the keyboard, all they need to do is hit the return key or the space bar to open and close our accordions. This is required for accessibility. If you'd like to check out more solutions and stylish components for Squarespace and Shopify websites, please check out our Creative Components page or subscribe to our channel to be notified when we publish new resources.